If you do nothing differently today, your financial life in 5 years will look exactly the same, or worse. Not because you're lazy, not because you're unlucky, but because poverty is usually the result of small daily habits, not one big mistake. Here's the scary part. Most people watching this video right now will still be struggling financially in 5 years, even though the information to escape poverty is everywhere. But that doesn't have to be you. In this video, I'll show you 11 things you must start doing now if you don't want to be poor in the next 5 years. These are not motivational quotes. These are real-life habits that quietly separate the rich from the broke. Watch till the end, because number 11 is what finally breaks the cycle of poverty for most people. Hey guys, my name is Chris Bignoni. Welcome to SmartCents, where we talk about money, mindset, and smart financial moves. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Track every dollar you spend. You cannot fix what you don't measure. Most poor people don't know where their money goes. They only know it's gone. Small expenses like snacks, subscriptions, transport, impulse buys, they silently drain your future. Tracking your money doesn't make you rich overnight, but it exposes the leaks in your life. When you start tracking, you spend less without trying. You become intentional, you stop lying to yourself about money. Use a notes app, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. It doesn't matter. What matters is this. Every rich person knows where their money is going. Chapter 2. Stop increasing your lifestyle every time you earn more. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it keeps people poor forever. You earn more money, so you upgrade your phone, upgrade your clothes, upgrade your lifestyle, and suddenly you're earning more but saving nothing. Rich people don't do this. They delay gratification. They live below their means. They let their income grow faster than their expenses. If your income increases, your savings and investments should increase first, not your lifestyle. Chapter 3. Build an emergency fund. Most people are one emergency away from poverty. A medical bill, a job loss, a broken phone, a family problem, and boom, debt. An emergency fund is not luxury money, it's protection money. Start small. $5, $10, $100. The amount doesn't matter, the habit does. Emergency funds keep you from making desperate financial decisions. Chapter 4. Learn a high-income skill. Degrees alone don't make people rich anymore. Skills do. High-income skills include digital marketing, video editing, copywriting, sales programming, content creation, AI tools. One skill can change your income permanently. And the best part? You can learn most of them for free online. If your income stays the same for 5 years, your life will also stay the same. Chapter 5. Stop depending on only one source of income. One income is risky. 2 incomes are safer. 3 incomes create freedom. Relying on one paycheck is dangerous in today's world. You don't need 10 businesses. You just need one extra stream. Freelancing, YouTube affiliate marketing, online services, digital products. Multiple income streams don't make you greedy, they make you secure. Chapter 6. Invest, even if it's small. Saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats savings quietly. Investing allows your money to work while you sleep. You don't need to be an expert, you just need consistency. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, small businesses, time in the market beats timing the market. Start early, start small, just start. Chapter 7. Control debt before it controls you. Debt is not always bad, but bad debt is a financial prison. High interest debt keeps people poor. Credit cards, payday loans, buy now pay later traps. Before buying something on credit, ask, will this make me more money or less? If it doesn't improve your future, think twice. Chapter 8. Choose your friends carefully. Your circle affects your income more than you think. If everyone around you spends recklessly, hates planning, mocks saving, avoids growth, you'll struggle to escape poverty. You don't need rich friends. You need growth-minded friends. Sometimes the upgrade is not money, it's your environment. Chapter 9. Delay pleasure, invest in your future. Most people sacrifice the future for today. Rich people sacrifice today for the future instead of partying every weekend, buying things to impress people, chasing temporary happiness. They invest in skills, assets, knowledge. Discipline today equals freedom tomorrow. Chapter 10. Delay, pleasure, invest in your future. Most people sacrifice the future for today. Rich people sacrifice today for the future. Instead of partying every weekend, buying things to impress people, chasing temporary happiness, they invest in skills assets. Knowledge discipline today equals freedom tomorrow. Number 11. Change your identity, not just your habits. This is the most important one. If you see yourself as broke, you'll always act broke. But when you change your identity to, I am someone who manages money wisely, I am someone building wealth, your actions change automatically. Poverty is not just a money problem, it's a mindset problem. If you apply even half of what you learned today, your life in 5 years will shock you. But information alone doesn't change lives. Action does. If you want more videos that can help you escape financial struggle, build smart income, think differently about money, then subscribe to SmartCents right now. This channel is not for entertainment only. It's for people who want a better future. Like the video, share it with someone who needs it, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.